bogey crap.
This is always like this.
Come on! Come on!
Will you come? Quick, take him.
Come on!
You motherfucker.
I'll fucking force it. They're really good. Group, I'll get them.
Brr, that's the champion there, man. He's up for it.
I got done there, man. I got done.
Oi, don't
three in there.
Oi, don't go with hard boys. I'm near that kids, yeah? Oi.
That's two guys.
Cut the bullshit when you having a kid. Don't drop me, man. That's probably why I can't.
When you having a kid in that? Nothing then. What the fuck you doing, man?
Rick me in here.
What the fuck you doing? Cut the bullshit. Then he comes in, it's all tipping it. That bullshit.
Big face first, man. What big face?
What you do is I'm behind John. Go in there, bust up your head. I'll stab you. Sort down. Come out, Bernie. Bullshit.
Knock it, good.
Let me get this. Bernie. Bernie, don't worry about that, Bernie. I was trying to give everyone zero. Knock it back, you fucker. Give me some vodka Red Bull. I'll drink vodka Red Bull.
They got Red Bull, he don't want to.
What you shot and we'll see what we can have afterwards. Grab a glass and make sure it's empty and we'll finish it. Fucking stinks in here. He's fine. Give me an empty glass, yeah? We'll finish all this food. Give me an empty glass. We'll finish it. You're not drinking. Are you fucking having a laugh? 10 minutes. 10 minutes to a taxi, boy.
5 minutes, okay.
Fuck around. Then grandma